everyone, welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be showing off my cat. Yeah, so here he is. Here he is. You want to say hi, Rosie, say hi. Come on. The viewers want to see you. The viewers want to see you, Raw. Come on, the viewers want to see. Say hi. Rosie, say hi. Rosie, come here. Come here, kid. Come here, kitty. Yeah, he's kind of wandering right now because the dog. Yeah. Real quick. See her? Okay, so I'll stop. And hello, everyone! It's me, Bendy, Dancing Demon. That's high pitch. I also got this book for Christmas. It's called Undertale: The Last Human. Yeah. No, I have. If you're not wondering what, if you're wondering what's in here, well, it's
Puppy.
Yeah. It's the yarn. So yeah. So I'll tell you that I got a cat too. We've had the cat for a long time. He hasn't even died yet. He's like 17. He hasn't died yet. Like our old dog Audie. Anyways, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.